na kwa basonko ba Badwam Ahosepe Jumezedo and pay master on a victory note. Most want to pay me if you Bobo Rigmine. Bobo Rigmine. Esther Ann, no brofo ko poche mo asasido because check Google no papa on in. Oh. Na ni nyina there and there no nyoma bebre risisi. I'm very excited papa. Me nephew and there and the birthday into no mama na your boy happy birthday so kron man Alfred oko nyame isho papa on your kese into no enda no birthdays no odos papa mama obi original buda biara nda no happy birthday makodma bobo uzini bi na mama me nana nyame shawate no onyo kese mudo bebre you know ofra me ho ofri mame fo ho ofra cheze ho ekoaze pa baba wo mame obi a ye do bebre nyina be penyin pa na enda no menye the unbreakable Joyce Blessing and yerebo tunsa ezizi wa hade me chede me do twetwon cover zonzon yereba chill wa hade ye papa because am hu na chere me sure that waso etene ka chere ye kakra to know wasana back after victory no overdo bi so na aze ye bo hwetwe hon comment no menko baby announce no enyu be the trend on social media if a baby ehunum no if a baby ehunum no Stone Boy the new song no Jajarije yente kakana yembrese ya penedam ayet in the manner yenenyu age ye papa o Sunday CCR no or Ghana music 100% all the way you pushing the so me back to back them na ye bi yes into no wa head screw face the lie power na screw face na kasa no or hen screw face but I hold my brand I two cents do cafe ba no ai mo when you Tuesday pa na yetumi atras na atwon because yet won kai actually papa but them vibes here na kai hwehwe nti won fa ma he na yentum na yenje he na nyu ye so na me catch the end no me Joyce Blessing the unbreakable Joyce Blessing and yeah but you Joyce Blessing and we pay good morning why feel ye pa so why fe papa me pe mo se me gina honom no chade wow
easy
you look good overdo bless dress na pa why fe papa na unbreakable
only God can stop
babe ma me gina no say mo share life na they be am kede unbreakable from where I stand mo share za abrabo atoabo na edewa gina wona ando na mama unbreakable
as the Kenya me
before I watch Jesus overdo no come on maybe said the unbreakable is no menyim da oyanyom oyewonyom not from our first album but at the todo dancing efforts in the todo is there any reason behind that name enche o baby ada
okay inti edin mienu na mekuta no ene be ndi unbreakable no Joyce the joy of the Lord is my strength
okay
Blessing I am blessed beyond every curse itu kabo manwa be unbreakable
but is it so when you would
papa
susapa where's the wood papa
I say edin kuta influence and it's strong
wow
yeah
into no be sure that I'm forever grateful that
I am forever and ever grateful
wow
yes
papa but when you project no Jesus overdo Jesus abazo no overdo
ebia na okike you see say am hofe na multiply say am mustra na multiply o dey see am shining you see me check music kakra me go order ho na me check ma ho fe kakra me wo ya feti animonyam ni nhira any breakthroughs erade dia mama wayama na bruso into utie enwum no say 247 you come through for me every day when I call you a yet day na me sufre no a ojemeso
as I excite about you your voice into me pede as ones about tum kakra mam na ye te enwum no nti for ones tum kakra mam na me link to enwum no
mate 247 you come through for me every day when I call you always you be there for me hey me cry me wine now would in Jesus ato me so hey and come me see ka say number one first say hey me see ka say cry number one first and cry what good did I do Woody Jesus at me Sunday. And was say, hey, one mama yet, yes, sooner one mama yet. Hey, one mama yet, yes, one mama yet. Me da was you overdo it.
My entire Jesus overdo Joyce Blessing. Enjoy Kakrana embrace here. So when you come as I say, or so as the Muslim so maze, on quay you crown of Fandama. Oh, Fandama, produce as all of us. I am low cry into your real part of lessons. Musha. And you my ebo, when you met a union, here as a terms now, what we put that say, one mamma, a jet, one mamma, the more wets now. You know, it's the free hand. I'm not dancing a head.
If we gonna yeah,
okay.
I don't do too much. I do simple things. And your ma, you can't yet see us here. Oh, so over so cabino nipa, obi obebina, over so cabino on siasia. You have to speak the person's language so that the person will get you right. So what I say, you know, free street is all. So you know. It's in the DNA. So every time I want to do something simple, I will be a bit related to.
Okay. And we dance moves now, and so I don't know. Say in who there we are can people who touch secular because I know what choices. The choice of words, even the dance moves, trending song, and you know I saw on the basso. Who they all normal the my tax that's there be secular just blessing people don't want to. Or gospel artist.
Okay, it's a good experience because me kind of music I'm being very inspirational and if I be everybody so me can or more pemenyoma ebe onwa and me enya so we dem move on
target
and pemenyo I'm not only for church. I am for everyone.
Okay.
What's my say?
Okay, matter say. Instead of me off camera me said you know our victory album the next day be.
Okay. So this is a single I release to revive my victory album. And the uko stream the overdo now. Once I see my victory album
so baba. Into my victory album no abanyum no.
Okay.
Victory
also and mini and so also and then thank you Jesus everlasting Father. I have like strong 6 songs on my victory album.
Okay. Yeah. Now I know maybe so catch am there or the ambassadorial deals na zibi so bag and yasam kakra.
Yeah. Last year I was signed on Top Choco.
Nice.
Yeah. It's from my company.
It's be bear.
Me be by VHU. Memo biano no probably say
no hasamara. Okay. Inti Top Choco na aba
we have a lot of product here Top Choco.
Okay, na me there be other deals be
Tango Prime Wash and this is a new product I introduce and also I'm part of it. And then floral tissue also I'm part of the promotion. So so far so good. Everything is going on very well. I thank God for this far that he brought me.
And say no what's Samara again. Jesus overdo. He find be
okay, unbreakable dear. Standard nin baby ready to be do this year no. O searchimo baby app be streaming site be wo we are say. You hear a Joyce Blessing and then the title of the song. Title ni overdo, simple. Overdo and the name is Joyce Blessing. Enti baby search me bia say you no catch numbers pa on YouTube. Say we are about to reach like 1 million. Yeah, so my target is to get 10 million views on YouTube.
Wow.
And then also 6 million posts on TikTok. And it's still counting. Ofa as a yesu mama yefe. So posting a target.
Joyce Blessing pet no baka yes or for watch to kakra. Joyce Blessing pet. Joyce
onyame we guy so
it's no
we did a chair also you have to be a guy. We have to life we ma ensure hu na etwam. You won't attract anything. What I say, you have to enjoy your life. What I say, be yourself, be active, you know. Erade o ye ne tiaza so hwe kwan o fa so obo osoro asase oni nsu ato wa utumi say fashion ankasa no ono na de bae itu di na chi no aye ho botoboto sara nsina che de ko hu ono matwam
okay nsina che de mo no ma Christian so no woda chechire wo ho no o twa no kuro ntwa obi ho nsha trousers me nhye yi minye de da mo kwofo no nhye hu no otum twom because Jesus impedem
yeah we said you obaso ni nyankopon for I'm telling you say memma ewiase niema ene ewiase how enchechro da bia no aye mobo ebi mu dwen say esi ehiafo ne be cause rahimem is never true onyame na edi na chi onyo ohiani
yes
eni ti no be yo ohiani say be adefo
okay
we were nobody and erade agye no wasiesie yende wo hwe sere ma ye wotimi say me kura me ya dance die ma wotimi wo nya fe wa check me out
masa bibia da je ma mi jira ha me witness me testify to the goodness of the Lord why fe oye papa
anyway yam ka Jesus Christ they overdo God why am na
Joyce ma yenhwe me mpede ye call into what has happened to you and all that but ma yenhwe as a crope one thing ebia in the past year you would never do that thing again enye
okay ade ba ko I think I will never repeat and say me meba mababu in this life because situation bia ukomu is not permanent ebi mu nim say enema bi omko mu no ebetimi ayra at the moment na ewade change omo di a serious o mafuma enkanema bi wana mo bi omu chikra nkomantu because se ukonso hwemu na wo shi so be free mu na se wo pese otwitwa so ntentema you end up doing different thing but nya botre manyame so unya botre manwa kwanya wode wo be fa so be yiwa free so hwenu na oyiwa free mu a odi yedie nkoso nyama bebre be ka ho no san de abo wa botre
na wa be mebuda
ene onipa ye nipa you see edu we bi ansore ne nyama e betoto wa brabom ene de nipa be ka de nipa hu on be ya chro so ati a chro say baby oduri de wo nka ho kra no
wow
we onipa edenya wa bambebu be du a memma wa bamumbu
na shede so far rejection
any dia ka say ye komuna ya keka bebre in this life bebre
I would never like moon gender there someone like you because Joyce Blessing now
you see
Joyce Blessing
I've been through a lot I am the one that have been through a lot see can gospel musician and once my doors and so we bebre
I won't share
and for me my story everybody knows my story here in Ghana obiate Joyce Blessing na e wo de banitrim but ade ba ko a man ko follow me no mani jew me ho e te say sorry am ko mu ni nyina no ewade adane ni nyina foforo enne obie no betuma gina baabi aka chem say me da form anase ma yesi wo hwe baabi me current stats ni baabi nyame de me ko na utumi say nyame otumi ade nyina aye nti have been a great testimony to a lot of people no matter what you're going through and found enim guase a ebeto in this life I'm telling you so when you guase be ekese a we ye de be ekese asene sa because ewade na ye ne nam no ye gu nanim ase ye ro na tade ye bona deja but obey powerful composing de ne nkrofo hu no and whatever you're going through in this life never give up in this life
e be kind of recover bibia situation o me ilusi bia I recover ni nyina
because de nyame de ahye manan a mean to me that's why I'm saying he's the overdue God
I recover my abroad
abroad so my expectation wasn't that standard but the radia surprised me
Joyce like, in the Thursday my mama okwan no obi nam situation bi mo ohwe bebe no wo na ohwe mabrabo na yam sisi a wato asan bibia askata afom shanon kra na pema
obi bia wo hwe me e bia wanya sika na ne wasan abofom de ya in life ne say what is this car what na cars papam na fe agbuduru say bicycle kra no unibi I'm here to tell you Job the japade nyina free ninsa o san kra yare kan ho the yiri kra ba akopa ne nani da no so kra na yiri kra san bu na bem eno na ye ya pa say obi a woni da no so say e ka ye den kra na you be there for you no edu baby a na ye den a omu nyina they will turn back at you
wow
but I'm telling you Job ensure ready the man actually no what they compare the no first na entale enti no neyi na yegu anim ase neyi na ese asi asa abrabo na pema I'm telling you, we are serving a living God. Onyame adakro ye ni mfiapem. Eni nti no ye nyame no. Mfiapem ye ne dakro. Ade a ye din woni pa afam no de me den say ono na afam nya din. Obetuma change you life just like that. Enti mema wa ba mu muda. Nyame na ye som no wa ya amame a wo so obeya amausa. Nyame be change everything around you. No they are so din or they are so woni nyam na afi wonum nyina e ya sedanyom, but he is changing my life. It's giving me victory. The first I will tell you, Mr. The victory is or Joyce Blessing the testimony. Or you know, that song, I don't know. Rebecca sa. That's it. Nyami show bebre. That's also bebre. That's it. Okay. Our last word to be a pedeka. We should have from patch of our phones this year and follow me on TikTok. Very important. Okay. TikTok, me di unbreakable Joyce Blessing. Odi obo unbreakable Joyce Blessing. Current videos I'm post no na channel no. Follow me see na yen start overdo every morning, every evening, anytime bi akoba bibia no. Fa phone na ye video, short video with overdo and then post it. I will repost. Nyame show bebre. O hwe me o Instagram, Facebook bidini unbreakable for unbreakable starting. And then YouTube is waiting for you. Well, you say you have hit 1 million. It's still counting. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And only a Joyce Blessing. Joyce Blessing. Simple as that. Joyce Blessing. And you're tied to your overdo. Every streaming site be hopefully comfortable to stream. You can search Overdo by Joyce Blessing. Let's stream it. Now, yeah, man, catching numbers. No, what's the matter? There be a big asma mekanye there. Says the Adobe. Oye nyoma. Azebu tu meza ye show do nyina anye dey bu stream no nyom. Onya himbia no beto data. Nya himbia. No so no iska kase paz mo no bobo anu anka kan oye sika. Obotum na oza ye next project. Eno abeka dey ye obonyoma entina nka. There be in nyoma in stream. In stream you know bezana we Jessica na wa bobo anu za ye next project. It's ma me stream you no I stream you no streaming platforms in your stream kakra 1 the man why 1 million 2 million 3 million no as my one stream years overdue farmer Joyce Blessing na mama happy birthday to Emanuela Asante or your student in Garden City University College. Happy birthday in command Nesta Sari post-production boss. Nyami Inshedwebre. Happy birthday to you. Nana boy once again happy birthday to Joyce Blessing. Yako just overdue. San mam biom na welcome to Mamni and free. So also mention dance moves.
Yes.
Are you ready for me?
Ready.
Yankoi. 247. Hey, you come through for me. Hey. Every day when I call you. Yankoi. What's the day?